Hi guys, hello everyone! During our today's class, I'll show you how to paint those lovely hippo and penguin in watercolor style. And that's so simple. So if you're ready, grab your iPad, Apple Pencil, and let's get started. Guys, for today's class I'm gonna use my loose watercolor brush set that I created recently. I already prepared sketch, lovely penguin and lovely hippo. By the way, I created this hippo thanks to the Lisa Glantz brush set, which is called Animal Kit, which is very cool, and it helps to create sketch like in minutes. So we already have sketch. Those lovely hippo and penguins are looking at the moon, and we're gonna use my paper. This one is called loose watercolor paper. It has some options. I'll show you in the end the differences. We have two stains that we can make on or off, and that makes huge difference. Okay, so we have sketch, and we need to create one more layer underneath where we're gonna paint. So paint here. And about the brush, I'm gonna use blue glazing brush, and I will use this lovely bright blue color. And let's get started. Guys, why I like this brush? Because if you press harder, you will have more pigment. By the way, in a sketch, you can turn on or turn off sketch. It's up to you. Guys, as a blender, I will use blue watery brush and blender. And I'm gonna blend some sharp lines, just a little bit, like that. Okay, very lovely. And next, let me think what color of a head I want to make. And probably that will be this purplish color. So as you see, what is cool, if you press lighter, you will have pretty light pigment, but if you press harder, automatically you will have some shades. And this is so convenient. You don't need to paint like layer by layer. Just one layer is pretty much enough. Like that. And I need gold color. Okay, speaking about penguin, we need to grab this dark blue color, erase your lip-ins. Oh, you see. Try to be careful, don't make mistakes that I do. Lower the size. Too pink. I want to show belly and separate this part from the rest of the body. Now we need to grab bluish color and grab pretty bright, not bright, like barely seen blue color. Once again, I paint everything on a single layer because I want to imitate like the watercolor texture, but of course feel free to use different layers if you like it. And I press pretty lightly, I don't want to have the deep blue color. Grab blending tool and blend some edges, like that. Now moon. Done. Okay. We've done with the first layer. Now I want to duplicate it in order to make the texture more vibrant, like that. And now we need to remove the transparency because I'm gonna place some texture on the top. So I will duplicate it, go to lower layer, then go to hue, saturation and brightness, turn brightness to maximum, duplicate it a couple of times and merge together, like that. And now I want to add some lovely details to our animals. So I'm gonna clip it, move to multiply, and then I'm gonna use another brush, Boo Sharp Stains, and I'm gonna add some shades. So you see it's like authentic watercolor look, because of course we have some texture. If you think it's too sharp, just grab blending tool and blend it slightly. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of texture here. So in an area where two objects are next to each other, we will have some shades. So the place where we have scarf will be in the shadow. This part is also in the shadow because it's kind of hidden from us. Same here. Now grab bluish color and show some watercolor texture here. Like that. Now I like it. I'm gonna create one more layer underneath, and I'm gonna use glazing brush, same. And you can play around with the color. Go to hue, saturation and brightness and think which color you like more. And now I want to add tiny details. So I'm going to clip it, move to multiply again, same brush. If you want more like opaque color, you can try Boo Dry on Dry brush. Or even blotting brush. You see the texture is kind of different. Okay, lovely. And then I think I want to add some cute elements to our illustration. Let me think. I don't want to create new one. I want to be on one layer. So I'm gonna add those cute elements here. Very, very cute. And almost done. And the last part, I'm gonna create one more layer underneath of everything, and I'm gonna create night. And for that, I will use some stem brushes. And let's zoom it a little bit and create this lovely feeling. and that will help us to create some kind of postcard. Ta-da! And guys, lovely illustration is ready. So we have stamp, postal stamp with a lovely hippo and lovely penguin. I hope you like that. And if you want to see more tutorials, please subscribe, thumbs up, and let's see each other in the next video. Bye bye!